Dear students, welcome to online classes. In the last class, that means in the previous class, we discussed fractions. What is meant by fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. And also we discussed different types of fractions. That is, what are the different types of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. And also we learnt how to show the pictorial notation for the proper fraction, improper fraction and as well as mixed fraction. Okay. And also we discussed how to arrange the given fractions into ascending order and as well as descending order when the numerators are same or denominators are same. Numerator same iddaga yav riti ascending order ಅಥವಾ descending order ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 2.1. Exercise 2.1. In this exercise, first main solve. So here it is given problem number 1, 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5. So here, so no need to consider. So here also, that is in the denominator 1 is there. You have to consider. So 2 means it is not a fraction like that. You should not think. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 by 1 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So this is fraction. So here we have to subtract these two. Before going to subtraction, first we have to take LCM. You know very well in the previous classes, that is in 5th, 6th, we have learnt how to take LCM for the denominators. What are the denominators here? In this fraction 1, in this fraction 5. How to take LCM? So first we have to take 1, 5. So these two are the denominators. So you have to take, that is 1. If you divide 1, then so write as it is 5. Then you have to take once again 5. Then write 1 as it is. Then 5 ones are 5. Okay, this is the way how to take or how to calculate LCM for the denominator. So this is simple problem. Understood? And also we can multiply these two. If you multiply these two, that is 5 ones are 5, you will get LCM. But in another case, it won't be happen like this. ಈ ಥರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದೆನ್ ಸೊ LCM of 1, 5 is 5 only. Okay, then next step, what we have to do? So take, so here in homework means that is in work space, I will do, listen. So 2 by 1 into LCM. Take one fraction separately, then multiply by LCM. That means 2 by 1 into 5. Then you will get, so let us take 5 as LCM. 5 2s are 10. Then write minus. Then take once again the another fraction, that is 3 by 5 into 5. 5 means, so why we have to take 5 means this is LCM. Okay, so we have to multiply this LCM by both the fractions. Multiply means, so if it is possible to cancel numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. Or else, if it is not possible, you have to multiply. Understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, 5 ones are 5 ones are, here it can cancel each other, then you can cancel it. 5 ones are 5 ones are, then you have to multiply the remaining, that is 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3. Understood? Then subtract 10 minus 3, 7 by 5. So this is our answer. Understood? So once again, so in this problem what we have to do, we have to take LCM for the denominators. So in the previous class, that means in 6th standard, it was given like this. Here they used to give same denominator, then no need to take LCM. Then we have to subtract or add by using the numerator only. Numerator ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ what we have to do? We have to take LCM. Understood? Okay. So then second problem. 4 plus 7 by 8. So you have to consider here also 1. 4 plus 7 by 8. Then what is the LCM? 8 is the LCM. Then you have to take, that is 4 by 1 into 8. So 4 by 1 into 8 means 8 4s are 32. Plus once again take the another fraction, that is 7 by 8 into 8. Then you have to cancel it. 8 ones are 8 ones are. Then 7 ones are 7. Then 32 plus 7 means 39 divided by 8. So this will be the answer. Okay, understood? Here we have subtracted, here we have added. Whatever sign is there, by according to that sign we have to do. Al sign ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Problem 3, that is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. We have to take LCM for these two, that is 5 comma 7. So LCM of 5 comma 7 is, that is 5 comma 7. 5 comma 7 means 5 ones are 5. So put 7 as it is, then 1 as it is, then 7 ones are 7. Or else you can take 7 5s are 35. So LCM of 5 comma 7 is 35. If they are prime numbers, simply we can multiply those two. So that will be the LCM of those prime numbers. ಅವೇನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ LCMನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸೊ LCM is 35. Then take 3 by 5. This is one fraction. 3 by 5 into 35 into 35. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35. Then multiply these two. 7 3s are 21 plus. Then once again take one more fraction, that is 2 by 7 into 35. 2 by 7 into 35. Okay. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Then multiply these two. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 21 plus 10, 31 divided by 35. So this is the answer. Understood? So these are all the fractions which involve addition and subtraction, that is simplification. How to simplify fractions? By using basic operations. So how to take LCM and all, and how to simplify these. Understood? Okay, take down. Okay, have you taken? Okay, so listen, the next problem, I think problem number 4. So problem number 4 I will give you for homework. So problem number 4, it is for homework, that is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So this is for homework. This is for homework. Then I will solve problem number 5. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here it is given 3 fractions, that's all. Okay, so let us take LCM of 10 comma 5 comma 2 is, so we have to take LCM, that is 10 comma 5 comma 2. So first let us divide these by 2. 2 5s are, then write as it is 5, 2 1s are. Then once again you have to take 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, write 1 as it is. Then what will be the LCM? So you have to multiply these. You will get 5 2s are 10. That is 10. That is LCM of 10 comma 5 comma 2 is 10. Then you have to consider LCM is 10. Then you have to take one fraction separately. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಈ ಥರ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 10 ಸೊ 10ಇಂದ ಈ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಂದಂಥ ಕೋಶಂಟಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರ್ ಏನದೆ, ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 10 ones are 10, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ quotient 1, okay, then multiply this 1 by numerator, then you will get 7. Understood? Like this here also we can do. So this is simple way, easy way how to simplify. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, then 7 ones are 7, plus take second fraction, that is 2 by 5 into 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are, plus 2 twos are 4, plus take 3 by 2 into 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are, then 5 3s are 15. So then what will be the result? 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 7, 26 divided by 10. Or else you can simplify here also. 2 5s are, then 2 1s are, 2 3s are, which is equal to 13 by 5. Answer is 13 by 5. Understood? Okay. Then problem number 6, that is 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Here it is given in mixed fraction. So one step we have to do, one more step we have to do, that is we have to simplify, or we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Let us see. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So this is the way how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, understood? So one more step we have to do here. Then let us take as it is LCM for 3 comma 2. LCM of 3 comma 2, because these two are co-prime numbers. Okay. So then we have to multiply. LCM of 3 comma 2 is 6. That is 3 2s are 6. Then let us take 6 is the LCM. Take one fraction, that is 8 by 3 into 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Then 8 2s are 16. Plus take one more fraction, that is 7 by 2 into 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Then 7 3s are 21. Okay. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 37 by 6. 37 by 6. Understood? Okay. Then here it is one more problem, that is problem number 7. Problem number 7. So this I will give you for homework, that is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So this is for homework. This is for homework. So in this main I have given problem number 4 as homework and problem number 7 as homework. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? I think, I hope you understood well. I think it is enough today. So the next main I will take in the next class. Okay, so thank you very much.